Hi, welcome to RecurrinGO tutorial series. In today's video, you will learn how to view and manage customer subscriptions. Just open the app and head over to Customer Subscriptions. On the Subscriptions tab, you can see the list of your subscriptions. To find a particular subscription in a list, use a search bar up here. You can filter subscriptions by their status. Just click the corresponding tabs to show All, Active, Failed, Paused, and Canceled subscriptions. Now, let's get back to the list of all subscriptions and see what info about each subscription you can find here. First, Subscription ID. Below the Subscription ID, you can see what type of subscription it is: automatic charges or recurring invoices. Second, you can see the customer information, including their name and email address. If there's no email, the customer's phone number will be seen instead. In the third column, you can see the date when the customer will receive the next order for auto charges or invoice, and the date when the last order or invoice was sent. Fourth, you can see Total Processed, the total value of orders containing subscription items created in this particular subscription. It includes the total sum of money and the number of paid orders. The last column is the subscription status. By clicking the down arrow, you can see more details: items in subscription, the date the subscription was created, and the frequency. You may notice that the columns with basic information differ for various statuses. For example, failed subscriptions have the Used Payment Retries column, which shows how many times the system attempted to charge the customer before the payment failed. For paused subscriptions, you can additionally see the date when a subscription was paused by a merchant or a customer. And for canceled subscriptions, you will see the reason for cancellation. All subscriptions are listed from newest to oldest. To make changes to customer subscriptions as an admin, click the required subscription ID. A new window will appear with more detailed information about this particular subscription, including the order or invoice history. For active subscriptions, you'll see the Pause and Cancel subscription buttons that allow you to pause or cancel subscriptions at any time after additional confirmation. You can later resume paused subscriptions if needed, but please note that canceled subscriptions cannot be restored. Your customers will receive a corresponding notification to inform them that their subscription was paused, resumed, or canceled. Below the Cancel Subscription button, you can check the main information about the subscription. And below the Pause Subscription button, you can see items in the subscription. You can add items to the subscription, edit item quantity and price, and change shipping prices here. There are also other important buttons on this page. You can edit the payment schedule and shipping address by clicking the corresponding buttons. Don't forget to click Save when changes are made. Also, you can manage payment methods by clicking the Change button. It will open a new page in the Shopify admin. This is the customer page that can also be accessed by clicking the customer name in the list. Talking about customers, I'm going to show you the Customers tab. Here, you can see the list of your customers sorted from newest to oldest. You can find the customer by his or her name or email address using the search bar. Also, you can display only active or inactive customers by clicking the corresponding Status tab. Active customers are those who have at least one active subscription, while inactive customers are those with all subscriptions paused, failed, or canceled by a merchant or a customer himself. Let's get back to the list of all customers and see what information you can find there. First, the customer name taken from the Shopify admin. Below the name, you can see the customer's email. If there's no email address, a phone number will be shown instead. And if there's no phone, the field will be empty. In the next column, you can see how many active subscriptions the customer has and the date of the next order. For inactive customers, you'll see 0 active subscriptions and NA near the next order. Next, you can see total processed, the value of orders containing subscription items created by this particular subscriber, including the total sum of money and the total number of orders. And the last column is the customer's status, active or inactive. If you click on the down arrow near the customer's name, you can additionally see all subscriptions related to this customer. By clicking the particular subscription ID, you'll be redirected to the subscription management page, where you can edit, pause, and cancel subscriptions. I've already demonstrated all these actions. And if you click the customer's name, you'll be directed to this customer's profile in Shopify Admin. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.